In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Analytics from Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix dashboard and how to disconnect the Analytics integration so your site stops sending data to Google Analytics through Wix. This is helpful if you're switching tools, troubleshooting tracking issues, or simply want to pause data collection from the built-in connection. Start by opening your Wix account and signing in. Make sure you're in the dashboard of the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account. You'll need the appropriate permissions to edit site settings. From your site's dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is the central place where Wix keeps all your site-level controls. Inside Settings, find and select Marketing Integrations. This section manages external marketing and analytics connections that have been linked to your site. On the Marketing Integrations page, you'll see a list of services that can be connected to Wix, including Google Analytics. Locate the Google Analytics entry that's currently connected to your site and click View. This opens the Details panel where you can confirm that you're looking at the correct connection. You may see an Analytics property reference or note that it's an active integration. Take a moment to double-check you're removing the right connection, especially if you've worked with multiple Analytics properties in the past. Next, click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions, associated with the Google Analytics integration. A small menu will appear with available options. Choose Delete. Wix will ask you to confirm, since removing the integration will stop your site from sending tracking data to Google Analytics via this connection. Confirm the deletion to finalize it. Once removed, Wix stops forwarding data through this integration. This change does not erase any historical data already collected in your Google Analytics account. It only stops new data from being sent from your Wix site. In most cases, no additional publishing step is required, and the change takes effect shortly. If you still see activity in Analytics after a while, it can be due to caching, previously opened browser sessions, or tracking added through other methods outside this specific integration. If you know you've added tracking elsewhere, be aware that those methods would continue to collect data until they're disabled separately. That's all there is to it. You opened your Wix account, went to Settings, selected Marketing Integrations, viewed your connected Google Analytics, clicked the three dots, and chose Delete. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to manage your site's tracking connections.